Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how to import a Google slideshow or a PowerPoint presentation into WeVideo. So in order to do this, we're going to start by navigating over to the slideshow that we want to import. Now this is a Google Slides presentation, but it really doesn't matter whether it's Google Slides or PowerPoint, it behaves the exact same way. So what we'll do first is we're actually going to click the printer icon. You might be like, what? Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. So we're going to go ahead and click that, and it'll take a few minutes to load up to generate our preview, but that's okay. We can bear with it while it's loading. But when it gets there, instead of actually printing the file, what we're going to do is save it as a PDF. This is absolutely the most important part. We need to save the file as a PDF. So you see right now it wants to print it to my printer, but we don't want to do that. So I click on the destination, and instead of sending it to the printer, we're going to save it as a PDF. Now you have the choice whether you save all of the slides or some of them. We're going to just do all for this, and then we're going to click Save. Now it's going to want to save in some really weird name, but name it something that you're going to be able to find. I've demonstrated this a few times today, so this will be WeVideo Slides 3. Pay very close attention to where this saves. For me, it's saving it in my Downloads folder, but you can navigate and save it wherever you want as long as you're able to find it later. I'm going to go ahead and click Save. Now, I'm going to click back into WeVideo. We're going to click the Import button. It's right here. It looks like a cloud. If you don't see it, make sure you've clicked on the My Media tab. So I'm going to click Import, and then I'm going to browse to select because I have my PDF saved on my local hard drive. So I'm going to click Browse to select, and then there it is, WeVideo Slides 3. I'm going to click that, click Open. Also double click that if you want to save time, and it'll take just a little time to process. We see these blue marching ants going across in a line. Now we can't really work with it until it's done. It's done, look at that. Okay, so it's successfully imported. Now here's what's crazy. We can only see the first slide of the slideshow. That's no good, we want the whole thing. Well, in order to get that, don't worry. What you do is you click on this little icon that looks like a triangle made with 3 lines. We click on that, and we click on Photos. When the PDF imports to WeVideo, it saves it as photos. Now check this out. We can see WeVideo Slides 3, number 1, WeVideo Slides 3, number 2, and WeVideo Slides 3, number 3. When we want to bring those down onto our video track, we click and drag it down and drop it into video 1. Each of these slides by default is 5 seconds long. And then if you want to add a narration to it, you want to put your voice in, you can click on Narrate, you can click on this recording icon, and it'll give you a countdown from 3, and then when it gets to the bottom, everything that you're saying is being recorded and will be viewed in your video. And when you're done, you can just click Stop, and if you like that recording, click the check mark, and it's going to drop that recording clip onto the video voiceover. It's going to drop it on the voiceover track. Now you'll notice that the voiceover track is longer than my video clip. That's okay. I can click on the video clip, wait till there's a double-sided arrow, click and drag it over, and notice how it kind of snaps right into place. Then I can do the same process on slide 2 and the same process on slide 3. I can click Finish, and then I will have a video of my slides. So that is how you go to import a Google Slides presentation or a PowerPoint, same steps folks, into WeVideo. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.